How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you through the brand new 2021 Cruisers 46 Express. Starting in the transom, you'll see you're standing on a hydraulic swim platform with floating stairs. On the transom, you'll see you've got a full barbecue here with an ample amount of storage over there on the port side. And this all hides away very easily. Coming into the cockpit, you have a cockpit refrigerator here, as well as on the opposite side, a ice maker. You've got a great entertaining here with a big L-shaped settee, really nice high gloss teak table, and of course above head you'll see the hideaway power sunshade here. You'll notice on these countertops they have these small inserts here, and those are pretty neat. You can put your phone on there and it will automatically charge. Coming into the salon, really nice stainless steel trim door, and this is nice because you can open this whole door up. And as you can see, now this really opens up your entertainment area cockpit into your main salon. On the port side, you've got your galley aft, really nice high gloss cherry teak finish, 2-burner stove, sink, microwave, tons of storage in the boat. On the opposite side here, starboard side, you're going to notice we've got a separate refrigerator and ice maker here. Storage, flat screen TV, again, ample storage, very, very deep. Stereo controls, air conditioning controls. As you come forward, you can see there's a lot of natural light in the boat. Nice big one-piece windshield in the front, so you don't have any blind spots there. You do have opening side windows. You can see on our starboard side, this one's here is open. You've got a double width seat here at the helm. Of course, this boat is propulsed with a Volvo IPS joystick control. They really did a nice job finishing the helm here. Dual Garmin screens, of course, GPS radar, chop plotter, another charging station here, which is nice. All of your switches are all backlit and labeled, carbon fiber inserts. Really nice job. So as we move down into the cabins, our main distribution panel is going to be here. Very easy to locate. And as we come down, we'll go into the master stateroom, which is aft. And so you've got a full beam master, really feels like a 50-foot boat, but this is a 46, of course. Full beam master, side windows, they do open for cross ventilation in here. On this side, you do have a washer dryer. And as we come out of the stateroom, really nice, big storage here, you can see. And as we come out, you can walk into the master head. Again, full separate shower stall, nicely appointed. And as we come forward, we'll come into our day head, which is starboard side. Again, really big separate shower stall. And as we come forward, you're going to have your guest stateroom. You can see how big the stateroom is. A lot of headroom, full-size berth, storage on both sides. You do have, of course, an opening hatch forward, ventilation, flat screen TV behind you. This has its own air conditioning control. And again, something you'll see that you won't see on a lot of boats is here in the master hallway, lots of deep storage. This boat does, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this boat does have forward bow seating. Right now the seats are not out there, but there is a forward bow seating as well. And one other thing to note is above head, you'll see there is a fiberglass sunroof here, so you can open this up and get a lot of ventilation, natural air inside of here. Again, Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston aboard the 2021 Cruisers 46. It is here at our Quincy location. Please give me a call for more information, 401-569-3874. Thanks again for joining us.